Hello everyone, this is Shani Kumar Gupta. Welcome to all of your online YouTube class. And my dear students, you also know in that time I am going to teach you class 6 science, and that second chapter components of foods. And you also know before classes we have discussed about some components their foods. There are 7 components of food and carbohydrate, fats, minerals, vitamins, rough phase and what. Okay, before classes we have discussed about our carbohydrate, fats and proteins. But today we have discussed about some topic, proteins, minerals and another topic also. Okay, so my dear student, firstly you before starting the class you pause the video and take a screenshot. Yeah, write in your copy which what is proteins, what is vitamins, what is minerals and what is rough vitamin. So firstly you write down in your copy, then we have start our today's topic. Okay, my dear student, so let us start our class for today. My dear student, today's our topic is mineral. First topic is mineral. It means when we have write some contents, there are 7 components of food, and that's a 4th components of food, minerals. You also minerals also available for our life and our body part. Okay, so you see here, minerals are the elements which are needed by our body. Minerals, and that's the elements of needed by our body because for different function, and minerals help the development of our bones and teeth, from teeth formation of blood cell, bones formation of blood cell, teeth, and here functioning our muscle. My dear students, minerals support of our bones, cells, fun, minerals help in the development of our bones, muscles, and next year formation of blood cells and functioning our muscle. That's an example. Sources of muscles: meat, fish, egg, fruits, salt, fresh vegetables, tissue. My dear students, firstly you see the figure of sources of minerals. That's the figure of sources of minerals. My dear student, you understand that what is the sources of minerals. Okay, so you see that's figure. Our next topic is vitamins. Vitamins are very essential. Vitamins are very essential for the proper functioning our body. But they are needed in a small quantities. Very essential for our bodies, but they are very small quantities. They help in the keeping our bodies, our eyes, bones, teeth and gums healthy. It means vitamins helps in our eyes, keeping our eyes, bones, teeth, gums healthy. Okay, and next they also help enzyme to their work. Vitamins also help in enzymes to do their work. Okay, and next they are known as by letters. It means that letters known as A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K also. Okay, that's the formation of the vitamins name. Okay, vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K. Okay, so my dear students, and that's the sources of vitamin. What is the sources of vitamins? First, meat, fish, butter. Fruits and vegetables. Are the sources of vitamins. So firstly you see the figure of the sources of vitamin. That's the figure of sources of vitamins. Okay, next my dear students, that's whole topics, and in that time you see that figure of that's the sources of vitamins, and which if you see figure, then you also confirm what is the source of vitamins, what is the source of minerals. Okay, and next our topic is roughness of fiber. Roughness of fiber. Next here, roughness is that portion. Roughness is that portion of our body, for of our food which cannot be digested in our body. It means roughage, type of roughage that's not digested by our body. Plants part have a carbohydrates. Plants parts have a carbohydrate called cellulose which cannot be digested by human body. Means you also know roughage is not digested by our body, means human body. Okay, it is released from the body in the form of a stool. That's the release from the body, that's form of a stool. Okay, and next, roughage is necessary for our proper digestion of food. That's not digested by our human body, but the roughage is very necessary for digestion for our body. Okay, that's the example of sources of roughage. Sources of roughage: pulses, apple, pear, radish, cabbage, and whole grains. It means whole grains are the example sources of roughage. All grains are sources of roughage. And you also say that's the figure of sources of roughage. That's sources of roughage, example of figure. Okay, so you see, and you also think that's all all points the sources of roughage and fiber example. Okay, so first we write down, then we have discussed our next topic. Okay, and that's the figure of minerals, sources and uses. Minerals, sources and uses chart. You also see that chart, and you also remember which is the sources of mineral and what is their uses. And next here, and that's the uses and sources of vitamins. That's the chart of sources, uses of vitamins. Okay, so you see. Okay, my dear student, so our next topic is water. You also know about water. If I say, my dear students, you write about 5 and 10 lines of water, I think all students write also. So that's a water. Water is extremely essential for all living things. If water is not available, then we can't survive our life. And what we drink, if we can't drink, after that why how to survive our life. Okay, so that's water is extremely essential for all living beings. Okay, water helps in observing nutrients from the food and circulating them to different part of the body with the help of the blood. It means water circulate in our whole part of the body with the help of blood. Okay, next here, water is not a nutrient. But an important component of our daily food for the smooth functioning of our body. Water is not a component of the food, but this is the very useful component, important component of our body for the smooth functioning of our body. In fact, 16 to 17% body weight is water. It means in our body more than 16 to 17% weight of our body in water. Okay, next here, we need to drink at least 7 to 8 glass of water daily. 7 to 8 glass of water daily. Then okay, So that's the every day you drink the water 7 to 8 glass. Okay. Next here, that's sources of water. Almost food items we eat have water. It means which type of food we eat, almost food their water include, and more than example of food items, they consume highly property of water. Just like example for watermelon, cucumber, lemon, grapes, orange, watermelon, tomato, etc. And that's how all are example of sources of water. Okay, so you also see the figure of sources of water. Okay, so let us, my dear students, today's our total topic, it means 7 topic components of water complete. Components of food complete. And next day we have discussed about our next topic. Okay, my dear students, next day we have discussed about our next topic. So firstly you write down all points, topic, and that's the component of food. 7 topics also write in your fair copy. Then we have discussed about next topic in next class. Okay, so my dear students, you stay home, save your life and continue your study. Okay, thank you.